Hare Krishna, welcome to this session with the Gauriya treasures of Bengal. I'm your servant Diptiman Gauravhari Das and I'm delighted to have you join with me today. So at the center of our discussion today is our latest book, this complete guide to Brajamandal, embark on a mystical odyssey across 84 coasts. So this book takes you on a profound pilgrimage through the mystical lands of Brajamandal. It's an extraordinary journey that will transport you to the heart of Brajamandal, a sacred pilgrimage spanning across 84 coasts or 252 kilometers, where the holy city of Vrindavan resides at its radiant center. This book is a culmination of our devotion, our thoughts, and our journey, and I can't wait to give you a glimpse into it. Within the pages of this book, we have shared stories that have touched our soul, and I'm excited to share one such spiritual pastime with you today. So let us dive right into it. The pastime that we are going to read from our book today is the marriage of Radha and Krishna at Bhandirvan. Bhandirvan, located in Brajamandal, is a sacred forest where the divine Gandharva marriage of Radha and Krishna took place, long before Radha's marriage to Abhimanyu. Lalita Sakhi organized the necessary arrangements for the wedding, while Lord Brahma presided as the head priest. In India, it is typical for parents to choose a spouse for the children, but a Gandharva marriage involves the personal selection of the bride and the groom without a lengthy ceremony. The couple exchange garlands and simple vows. The Vat or the banyan tree at Bhandirvan holds significant importance in the pastimes of Radha and Krishna, where they shared many happy memories together. Krishna and his friends would often enjoy lunch together under the shades of this tree, the lunch that has been sent by their mothers. The boys would then engage in playful activities. The Adi Varaha Purahan exclaims, Bhandirvan is the 11th forest which is held in high regard by the yogis for its scenic beauty. The mere sight of this forest is believed to prevent one from being reborn. Moreover, catching a glimpse of Vasudeva in this forest, the most excellent among all forests, is also thought to release one from the cycle of birth and death. By taking a bath, fasting and practicing self-control in this forest, one is said to be absolved of all sins and attain a place in Indralok. As per the accounts in Garga Samhita and Geet Govinda, Nanda Maharaj took Krishna to Bhandirvan to graze the cows. The forest was dense and shaded with kadamba and tamal trees, allowing only a little sunlight to seep through. Suddenly a rainstorm broke out and a worried Nanda Maharaj sheltered Krishna in his lap, since he was just a young child at that time. At that moment a stunning Radharani appeared in the form of a young girl. With her arms outstretched, she expressed her desire to take Krishna with her. Nanda Maharaj was astonished, but he complied and allowed Radha to take Krishna. Radha carried Krishna to the depths of Bhandirvan and at the shades of Bhandirvat, where he transformed into his youthful form or Kaishor. Radha's companions Lalita, Vishakha and others, as well as Lord Brahma, also appeared there. Brahma understood the divine couple's desires and performed their Gandharva marriage ceremony. As Brahma recited Vedic mantras, Radha and Krishna exchanged garlands amidst joyous chants and wedding songs, while the demigods showered flowers from the sky. When asked what he would like to receive as dakshina or donation, Brahma expressed his desire for nothing but devotion to Krishna's lotus feet. Once the wedding was complete, Brahma and all the Sakhis left, and Krishna transformed himself back to a small boy. Radha then handed him over to Nanda Maharaj, who was waiting for him, and together father and son then returned home after the storm had subsided. This ancient pastime took place here under the banyan tree at Bhandirvan. Sri Garga Samhita states, the wedding ceremony of Lord Hari and Sri Radhika was officiated by Brahma. As part of the ceremony, they circumambulated the sacred fire and paid their respects to it. Brahma, who was knowledgeable in the Vedas, recited the 7 mantras. Thank you very much. If you have resonated with the story that I have shared today, I invite you to explore the pages of our book. I believe that within its words you will find a source of inspiration, introspection, and perhaps a touch of the divine. Thank you once again for joining me on this journey. Hare Krishna.